Hello, I am Dr. Ghanshyam Jain, a retired gynecologist from Titlagarh, Odisha. Today, I would like to share my experience in my professional capacity with my esteemed viewers and patients. My topic today is let us understand Corona in simple rules of 3. Why I chose this topic is because I have found many of my patients confused as to the treatment, prevention and management of corona disease. This simple rule of 3 will clarify most of their doubts, and for easy remembrance I have chosen this rule of 3. There are 3 most important viruses in corona which causes lethal viral pneumonia. They are MERS, SARS and SARS-1 and SARS-2. MERS means Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, SARS-1 means Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, and SARS-2 is now pandemic known as popularly COVID-19. They cause severe respiratory syndrome and pneumonia leading to death in many cases. So these 3 common symptoms of COVID are fever, breathlessness and cough. No fever, no coronavirus disease. So if there is no fever, one need not be panicky about about this disease. The most uncommon symptoms are loss of taste, loss of smell and diarrhea. The 3 common laboratory tests required to diagnose this COVID disease is antigen test, RT-PCR test and antibody test. Antigen test and RT-PCR test are to know the present infection, but this antibody test is to know whether we are infected in the past or not. The 3 modes of transmission are by droplet infection, fecal-oral route and surface touching. Out of these 3, droplet transmission is the most common, and again this droplet transmission occurs by either speaking or coughing or by sneezing. Sneezing is the most dangerous type of transmission by droplet route. The 3 portals of entry of virus into our body. How the virus enters our body? There are 3 routes, 3 portals. They are nose, mouth and eyes. So we should always be cautious not to touch our nose, mouth or eyes unnecessarily. The 3 methods of prevention are by use of masks, by hand washing either with soap or sanitizers. Again, a point of caution here is the sanitizers must be of ethyl alcohol and not methyl alcohol, because methyl alcohol is a poisonous substance, and by social distancing. The masks are again of 3 types. They are cloth masks, surgical masks and N95 masks. But cloth masks are also equally good enough to prevent this COVID disease. Not that N95 masks are more effective and cloth masks are less effective. This is a wrong notion. And again, about social distancing, minimum 3 feet distance is required, but ideally one should maintain 6 feet for better security purpose. There are 3 indigenous techniques again to prevent this disease. One is by steam inhalation. Steam inhalation should be done at least for 3 minutes and 3 times a day. Hot water drinking 3 times a day, and kadha or hot tea, common tea 3 times a day. This prevents up to 95% of the COVID infection in a person if one follows routinely and regularly. There are 3 indigenous methods to boost immune system also. Without taking medicines, one can boost up his immune system in the body by yoga, pranayama and exercise. Each of them should be done at least for 20 minutes regularly. There are 3 methods to prevent also community spread. They are isolation, quarantine and hospitalization. Again, many people are confused about this isolation and quarantine. Isolation and quarantine are to segregate the suspected or confirmed cases of COVID cases from the general mass, so as to prevent the general spread. The isolation and quarantine can be done at home can be done at the hotel or can in the hospital. Hospital, there are three modalities of treatment again in the hospital. We can treat with medicines, oxygen supplementation and ventilatory support as per the seriousness of the disease. If the oxygen level goes too below, then one needs oxygen supplementation, and in serious cases and high risk cases they may need sometimes ventilatory support. There are three main medicines for the treatment of this disease. They are azithromycin, doxycycline and ivermectin. Three medicines for symptomatic relief again. They are paracetamol for fever and pain, cetirizine for allergic cough, and vitamins to boost up our immune system, that is vitamin C, vitamin D and zinc. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Hope this rule of 3, I repeat again, this rule of 3 will help everyone to understand as to what COVID is. Hopefully the vaccines will be available in another 3 months' time. Meanwhile, don't fear corona, but fight with corona. Be happy, be healthy. For any further information or queries and for any other topic you want to know from me, please feel free enough to inform me, give me feedbacks. I will highly appreciate, and I highly solicit your appreciations and feedbacks. Stay safe. Signing off, yours, Dr. Jain.